Hello my dear PU2 champions, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am here to answer one question. As a student we have, sir, how can we get out of out marks in any examination, right? Per se. For example, in this unit test 40 marks is the high maximum marks in this test. How can we score 40 out of 40? So I have done a lot of things, right? I have done a marathon session where I solved all the questions, like very important questions, most important question for all these chapters which is coming for your syllabus of PU2 unit test again. And then I have also done given you a formula sheet of all the chapters. Now apart from all of that, today I am here to give you most important topics, most important questions, chapter wise, topic wise, and the mark category, like in 1 marker, in 2 marker, in 3 marker, in 5 marker, what kind of question you can expect from every chapter. This is clear. From every chapter, what type of question can come from each of the topics, I'm going to give that list to you today. I'm not giving you question and answer. This is going to be just question list. Have a look. So for example, from the first chapter, which is relation and function, from the chapter number 1, which is relation and function, I have given you 1 mark category over here. Please check. 1 mark category is listed like this, where I've given 6 questions. Define an equivalence relation. When I say equivalence relation definition, so does the MCQ will be like this? No, they will give you a relation, okay? They'll ask you whether it is equivalence or not. So if you know the definition properly, you can answer any question coming whether on MCQ, whether in the fill in the blanks on this particular topic, equivalence relation. So see, one of the important topic is equivalence relation, sir. So I made a question on that and give it to you. You have to solve it, okay? You have to solve it, okay? Write the domain and range of fx. For this particular question, see, another important topic is domain and range of the chapter. Next is what? State whether fx is equals to mod of x is 1 1 on 2. Remember, type of function 1 1 on 2 function, bijective function, that category is also very important from unit test exam point of view, okay? Next is give an example of many one, which is not 1 1 is many one. Okay, so different topics are there. Based upon that, I have given you some questions which is important for PU2. Now this was for 1 mark category. Now we are moving to 2 to 3 mark, and we have again a 5 mark category also. So I have given you 3 questions. So please check it to show that this function is 1 1 and on 2. You can use algebraic approach to solve it. So important topic is again bijection. So this is the topic name and the question given on it to revise it. So I'm going to help you revise the topics, important topics of a chapter with the help of questions. So okay, see, again you have a question on inverse of a function, then you have again for composite function and GOF. You also have question 5 marker as bijective, okay, and you have invertible function as well. You have to solve all of these. So total of 12 questions are there. Total of questions are 12 that you can solve on the chapter number 1. So I hope this is clear. I am not giving you solutions. I am giving you questions from each of the topic. Please solve these questions. So how can you solve this? I have solved similar questions like this. I have taught you, right? I have taught you this chapter in detail in a Sankalp batch. I have taught you the questions on this chapter in that marathon series, marathon video of the almost 3 hours plus of the video was there for mathematics. Please go ahead and learn from there, okay? This is the question list topic wise so that you can revise from this. Last minute, what question to solve, sir? Is it enough, sir? That's why I'm coming here in the session to give you questions only. IITF, again important chapter of your unit test syllabus. We have 6 MCQs based upon principal value branch is one topic. Domain, again part of the domain and range of the ITFs, all the 6 function. This also special angles. This is special angle and this property. Cos inverse of minus x is nothing but pi minus cos inverse of x. Remember the property and the property of ITF and your special angles of trigonometry, that is where the question is raised upon. Again range, a topic, important topic of your, basically the table I have given you, right? That is good enough. Here also special angles. So with the help of questions I have given you how to solve, how to complete those particular topics using the help of questions, okay? So again this is 1 marker from ITF, 2 marker, 3 marker or 5 marker is also given here. Property of sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x equals to pi by 2. Proving this, find the exact value of sin inverse minus root 3 by 2, tan inverse of x as pi by 4, solve for x, okay. Again the 5 markers also you have some identity based questions. Please solve these problems, okay? You can use online resource if you want a specific answer for these questions, but solve these problems, okay? Let me know. Next, moving to the chapter matrices. What we have over here is again 6 questions of 1 mark MCQs. Define square matrix. So basically in MCQ they will not ask this question, right? But they can ask you to choose a square matrix given from the options to you, okay? Or basically look for the order given to you. So whenever you have n cross n, that is called as square matrix. That is called as square matrix. So that you can pick. So if you know the definition, an example, you can answer any question coming your way from the MCQ side. Write an order of the matrix, okay? From here again, state the condition of multiplication. How do you multiply? Number of column of the first matrix equals to number of rows. So remember, again very important question. Based upon this only MCQ can be asked. They can give you a matrix order M cross N, okay, and matrix B of order N cross P. They can ask you order of AB. The answer will become M cross P. So that's why I'm telling you what is the condition required for multiplication of 2 matrix also becomes important for the 1 marker MCQ category or fill in the blanks category. Please check all the 6 questions are very important. Finding inverse and transpose also can be asked in 1 marker. Next we have 2 marker, 3 marker. We have given here, they ask you to multiply AB and BA. Okay, so basically matrix multiplication is an important topic. Then is finding inverse. Yeah, this is that method to find inverse, right? That's how you're going to solve it. They've given you equations, solve it using matrix method. You're going to also use determinant over here so that this is equal. This is again multiplication property to be utilized. Next we move on to 5 marker. We have solve using matrices, same thing, application of determinant with it. Find the inverse again using elementary operations. You can also use the method of determinant here as well. Using matrix method, solve this equation, also application of determinant. So these questions are very important. Download this class notes, this notes PDF from the WhatsApp channel and solve all these questions. Next is what chapter? Determinant. Okay, finding determinant, 1 question can be asked in the MCQ. This is again MCQs or 1 marker. This is a 1 marker category, okay? 1 marker category. Alright. Write the value of determinant. Again same type of question, number of 2 rows and determinant are identical. What is the value? Remember that is 0. Evaluate this value. So all these are 1 marker question. Moving on, 2 to 3 marker. Evaluate this variable based determinant, this one. So this is the property to solve this. And again another question on the 2 marker, 3 marker. If this is given a plus b plus c is pi, then what is this condition going to be? Okay, you have to prove that. Alright, and solve for x, y, z using Cramer's rule. Same thing, matrix method you can use over here, and properties of determinant to prove this condition as well. So these are the 5 marker question. This is the 5 marker question, okay? So in 5 marker, matrix of determinant combines. In the 5 marker, matrix of determinant combine together. Alright, so please get these questions list and solve these questions, very important. Now next is C and D, continuity and differentiability. Again this is 1 marker category, 1 mark. Please check, I've given 6 questions over here based upon definition of continuity. Moving on to again this is continuity question. Then you have derivative question. Okay, this is a definition based question, right? If derivative of x is 0 for all x, what's the function? Simply constant function, right? It's going to be constant function, constant. Okay, write the value of limit, standard limit is there. So solve all these questions, very important. So similar kind of questions can come for 1 marker from this chapter. Now 2 to 3 marker, 3 questions I have given over here, 7, 8. Okay, sorry, I have given only 2 questions over here. Excuse me. Check the continuity of fx. You have to check for the continuity of fx at the point x equals to 2. Okay, and find the limit value basically. Find the limit of this function fx when x tends to 2. Alright, and check for the value of f of 2. Okay, define the function again and check if it is equal, then continuous, otherwise not continuous. Okay, f dash of x, if fx is sine of cos x, find that. Again next we move on to 5 marker. We have find the derivative of this. Test the continuity. Again we have given you 3 questions here. Please solve this kind of question, is important for your unit test. Next we move on to LPP. Now I have seen some of the students asking for even like LPP is part of the syllabus, or some of the other platform also they've done questions on LPP. So I didn't want to leave this part as well, even though in my session I have not taught any question on it. But this is a very simple chapter. Okay, you can solve it. If you solve 1 graph question and these definitions if you learn. So this MCQs can come on definition based questions. So all definition of what? Feasible reason, optimal solution. Remember, optimal solution or objective function are the important definitions involved over here. So please read the definitions to get 1 marker question and then solve one question on the graph. Even that will be sufficient to get 5 markers. This is a 5 marker category, okay? This is a 5 marker category. In the actually boards, this will become 6 marker category. In the boards, this will be 6 mark question, but right now in PU2 unit test, this will be a 5 marker. So this is it for the session today. I have given you list of questions from all the chapters that you need to solve, that you need to revise, and they're very important, okay? To revise all the topics involved in that. So download this class notes PDF from the WhatsApp channel and get it done. That's all for the session today. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.